Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Aramid Standing Cover Case by Samsung for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now, I've been excited, waiting on this case. I ordered it maybe a few days when I pre-ordered my Fold 2, and I just recently got it in and have been waiting, anticipating to get it. And so it is finally here. And like we said, this is the Aramid Standing Aramid Standing Cover Case. And what really got my attention is that, like it says, it's able to stand. The case has a kickstand on it. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now, this is one of the official cases from Samsung. And this wasn't a cheap case at all. They only had two cases. They only had this one, which one thing I like too, it has kind of a carbon fiber look to it if you look at it. And the other was a leather case. So these cases weren't cheap at all. So I expect them to be really good coming from Samsung, because this case was like $59, $60, and the other case was leather, and it was $79, I believe. Anyway, we got it all open, and let's pull it out and see what it looks like. First of all, let's look and see what's inside the box. There's nothing really but some instructions here, and just some paper. So we're gonna toss that to the side. So looking at it, first impressions of it, it looks kind of thin. I wasn't expecting it. I expected it to be a little bit thicker than it is, but it is pretty thin. It has some kind of felt right here, so I guess that's also there to protect the phone so it won't scratch it. But it is kind of thin. Here's the kickstand we talked about, and you would open it up like so. And the kickstand, I don't know, it looks pretty fragile actually. But this is the Aramid Standing Cover Case for the Galaxy Fold 2. Like I said, it looks pretty thin. If you look at it right there, it looks like wafer thin, actually. Anyway, let's close up our phone real quick and put it on there to see what it actually looks like. And so, grabbing it here, and I guess it just snaps on. Yeah, there you go. Snaps on easily. It looks good. You know, that carbon fiber look. Of course, we know it's not carbon fiber, because if it was carbon fiber, it would be more expensive than $60. But as you can see, it has a raised portion there by the camera, so the camera kind of sits back. So in case, you know, the phone bumps up against something, this protects the camera some more. And you have your cutouts. You have your, I think that's a mic cutout at the top here. And of course, it's just a one-piece case. And you have your cutouts at the bottom, another mic cutout, and for your charging port. And the cutouts for the side for your volume up and down, and your power button. So it looks all right. It's just, you know, I was just expecting more. Now, what really got me, though, when I was looking at the case itself, that really got my attention was the kickstand. So if we open up the kickstand here and we set it down, that still looks pretty cool. Let me move the stand over to the side, and if you set it like that, see if that gives you a better perspective. Or just hold it like this and then set it down. But you know, it works. The kickstand is kind of thin. It's kind of slim too. I know it holds the phone, but you know, I guess I was just expecting more. It looks okay, and now after ordering it, you know, at the time when I ordered it, there weren't any cases available for this phone, which is so weird. And they're still hard to get. This is the first case I've gotten in. I ordered another case too, because after ordering this, I was kind of worried about maybe should there be something that could go around the perimeter of the front glass there to maybe protect it. So I did order another case. It hadn't got here yet. And I've even called around to AT&T stores, to T-Mobile, Verizon stores, and nobody seems to have cases yet. And most of them, and even checked Amazon, most of them are saying that the case is not going to be in, or at least Amazon said cases that they have, which they have about 6 or 7 cases online, but they're not going to be in until the middle or the end of October, and won't get delivered to you to November. So that's disheartening, But this case looks okay. It's just, this is one of the most expensive cases I've ever bought. But, I'm looking at this as a $2,000 phone. I'm figuring that, you need a good case. This is okay for the back, but for the front, there's nothing. So that still worries me. But for $60, I don't know. I don't know if I could endorse that, even though I spent it because I was all excited, for the phone and waiting and wanting a case for it. So that's about it for our video for the day. And this is a quick unboxing and review of the Aramid Standing Cover Case by Samsung. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and also hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.